Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Killer Klowns from Outer Space surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Killer Klowns surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold. Then I'm going to go ahead and give it another nice fold right here. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn it this way so I can open it up for the surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin by drawing the nose. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to make a circle for the nose. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then out like a check mark. And I'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go down and then out like a check mark. Next, I'm going to go down and up here. And then same thing, down and up here. I want to make a little half circle on each side for the pupil. Then I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down, and we'll do the same thing here, kind of up and down. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, over, and then up for kind of like a smile. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and down. And I'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go up and then down. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over and then down like this. At the top, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up to a point and down for some hair. And then over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. It's going to go in and then back in like this for an ear. Let's do the same thing here. We're just going to come up. We're going to go in, down, and then back in. We'll draw a little curve and then a bigger curve around here. Same thing here. A little curve and then a bigger curve right around here. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line in. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to bring this line in. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, over, and then up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come across. And then I'm going to go down and up, down and up, down and up, and then down and up like this. And then I'm going to add a half circle on each side, and then a full circle in the middle of each one. Then I'm going to draw a line down on each side. And then another line right here, just to kind of separate the body and the arms. I'm going to put a star right in the middle, so I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up and down. We'll go out on each side. We'll come in. We'll go down and up, and down and up. And then I'm going to make a little line right here on each side just to kind of show where the neck is going to be. And then right here for the hair, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out like this, and then it's going to come back. Same thing here, I'm going to go out like this, and then I'm going to come back. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a couple little lines like this, just to show some like wrinkles on the head. Then I'll make a little line underneath each eye. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once I open this up, I have two halves of my Killer Clown from outer space. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line down here and kind of curve in. I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to bring this down and curve in. Starting here, I'm going to make a little curved line on each side. And then I'm going to draw a big smiley face shape. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to curve it around and bring it up here. And then right here, I'm going to bring this line down and then connect it. And then same thing here, bring it down and then connect it. Next, let's add some teeth in here. So I'm going to begin by just making some kind of like pointed, sharp teeth in here. Making them a little bit different sizes. And I'll do the same thing on the bottom here. We're just going to make these teeth kind of sharp and pointy, a little bit different sizes. Next, starting here, let's make a tongue. So I'm just going to make a long, kind of crazy, pointy tongue like this. Then I'll bring it back here. And then I'll just kind of curve it back like this. Now, I want to add just a couple kind of like fun little details coming out of here. So one of the things I'm going to add is I'm going to make some cotton candy. So I'm just going to make kind of like a bumpy line like this, almost kind of like I'm making a big cloud. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up like a point, with a couple little curves on it, maybe a couple little bumps in here. Then over here, I'm going to make some popcorn. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to go over and then up. I'm going to draw a couple little zigzag lines. And then I'm going to make a couple little kind of bumps right around there for the top of the popcorn. Then I'll just draw some little lines that come down here. Then I want to make a little pie over here. So I'm going to begin by just making some bumpy little lines like this. Then I'll make a line that's going to come up and down with a couple little lines like this. I'll draw a line across, and a line's going to go in, over, and then up. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Killer Clown from Outer Space surprise fold. So when I have it all folded up, I just have a regular looking clown, and then when you open it up, he's got his mouth open with a bunch of stuff popping out. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.